You're coming down?
Yeah, I got some.
Okay.
Alright, hold on. I'm just testing. Way too much elevator mixed in.
Coming over the field from the left.
I'm just hanging out over the trees.
Okay. Do a gear check. Bring the gears up. Gears are up. Cool. We're cooking.
That thing sounds really good flying by. It's got this like low range purring.
Yeah.
I dig it.
Yeah. Hear the wind, right?
You know, some people are like putting whistles on their planes and stuff, right?
I'll do that with the jets.
Are you?
With the EDFs, yeah. I'm not gonna do that with the props. Woof.
Good. The
Whoa.
dive-bombing thing. Or maybe that was on German planes. I don't know.
Like you know, it's like the Nerf whistlers. Yeah, yeah,
You've heard about that, right?
yeah. I know about that. Well, yeah, that's for the EDFs though. I'm all right with the props the way they are.
Alright, I'm gonna come in from the left.
Okay. Be on your wing. Nice.
Oh, almost. Oh, I'm good.
What happened?
Well, it almost fully tipped. But
You got a lot of footage.
I don't know if I'm
to
gonna
go
be able
through.
to.
Yeah, yeah.
Alright, I'm coming in.
You're coming in. Okay. You're
Yeah,
clear.
I'm over by the trees. Following the tree line.
You're clear. I'm on the other side of the field.
But my plane's in the middle of the field. I'll grab it in a second.
Okay.
Okay, coming across the field loud.
You're good. There you go. Nice.
And it's still recording.
There you go.
He's still looking for his phone. Oh, it's not.
Trim center.
Who knows? Someone knows. Someone knows, but I think you're like one of the only people I know that
3 minutes and 55 seconds, 15.3 volts. 3 minutes and 52 seconds, 16.1 volts.
Plenty of power.
You're all clear, buddy.
Okay.
The video was actually fun. It flies great, but it's just...
I'm just gonna re-enable on here once.
Okay.
Yeah, see? Ray, what do you think? Is this a bad ESC or a bad motor?
What's that here?
Tell me if you think it's a bad ESC or a bad motor.
You have a foreign one?
Why can't it be both? Oh, dude, it's bad. I wouldn't take it.
Bad motor?
I don't know. It could be either.
You
It's a 4-in-1, isn't it?
have to switch motors to find out. Yeah, I would take it home and swap motors and see what happens.
What motor do you recommend on a 6-inch?
No, I mean like take two,
Yeah.
just change the right arm and left arm. And swap this one and this one. And if it follows the motor, does it follow the ESC? It's a boomerang 6-inch film. 6mm thickness too. That's great.
But a 6-inch boomerang, yeah. And I got my TPU GPS mount up here.
Yeah, see, that's just another thing to get into for me. I'm tempted by all these things, but it's going to be sport.
Experimental.
Yeah.
It's experimental.
All racing, sport and spec, sport wing, spec wing, and what do you call it? Racing quad.
Yep.
Five.
Yep.
And I think it's focused.
You know, there's the micros, the baby hawks, the
Well,
tiny hawks.
I got a micro. I got a big one.
All hawks. Yeah.
No, I'm not going to get a tiny one. I'm resistant. I mean, as long as my whoop is running, I can't justify it.
Your tiny hawk resistance kind of change things.
I like how quiet it is.
Yeah. You just hear the air going, right?
Mine's obnoxious. Because you got what, a 7-inch prop? Or?
I believe they're 11 by 7.5. I believe 3-blade,
Wow.
3-blade. I believe.
Yeah. So it's like what KV is it? 800?
No. It's a 6. No. It's a 580.
That's why I said quiet.
580 kV.
Yeah. Whereas I'm running a 5.2 diameter, 2350 kV.
12. Oh wow.
Unfortunate.
That's a high speed. Yeah,
Yeah.
23 feet. Wow.
So the tip
Yeah.
speed is like 600 miles per hour.
Yeah. No, this is just it's a 580.
Is the prop scaled to the plane like true scale, proportion to the?
That I don't know. That I do not know. Like to the actual plane. That I don't know.
Minus 1 second, 15.2 volts.
And is it
I
a
got
scale power to weight? Do you know?
No. That I do not know. I couldn't tell you for
Probably
sure.
more. It's probably not because it probably can't climb as well. You
Oh,
you can almost go vertical. And
No, I'm sure the scale. No, I'm sure the flight characteristics aren't really scaled because I'm almost at stall. You go vertical.
Yeah.
So actually, I gotta come to land. But, yeah. I mean, it's definitely not like a scale flyer per se,
terms of power
but
to weight.
yeah. I'm gonna bring it in, gears down, landing from the left. It's time to come in. See if I can get this landing without the nose going into the ground. The ground is so soft right now. Yeah, the ground is so soft right now. Dive it in.
Beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you. But let me see if it'll taxi.
I need a launch or two. One more. I'm ready. Are you powered up for?
I'm not flying hindsight.
Oh, right at the end. All right.
I went, looked at Frank's other plane.